Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to schedule a message in Telegram. You can use this method either on desktop or mobile version. It doesn't matter, Windows, Mac OS, you can use it anywhere. So let's imagine you'd like your message to be sent at a specific time, but you cannot open Telegram at this specific time, so you can schedule this message. How you can do it? So first of all, let's type something. For example, let's type hello world. After that, you just need to right click on this send message button. You right click on it and you click schedule message. And here you need to set a specific time on which you'd like the message to be sent. And after that, you need to click schedule. So that's basically it. Here as you can see scheduled messages. Yeah, you can open it from this button, and as you can see, the message will be sent at a specific time that you set. That's basically it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.